Hello everyone, welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. Today, I will tell you a fun and clever story. The story is about a man and some monkeys. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a man named Sunil. Sunil was kind and hard-working. He made colorful caps, red, blue, green, so many. People loved his caps. They came from many villages to buy them. One sunny morning, Sunil was walking to another village. He wanted to sell his caps. As he walked through the forest, he saw something in the trees. Monkeys. Many monkeys were jumping from tree to tree. Sunil got scared, but he said, "They are just monkeys," and he kept walking. After some time, the sun became hot. Sunil felt tired. He saw a big tree. He sat under it and fell asleep. His bag of caps was next to him. But he didn't know. The monkeys were watching him. The monkeys saw the colorful caps. They got excited. One by one, they came down. They opened the bag and took all the caps. After some time, Sunil woke up. He picked up his bag and saw it was empty. Sunil was shocked. "Where are my caps?" he said. Then he looked up. Guess what he saw? The monkeys were on the trees. They were wearing his caps and laughing at him. Sunil felt sad, but then he had an idea. He took his own cap and threw it on the ground. Something funny happened. The monkeys also threw their caps. Sunil smiled. He threw his cap again. The monkeys copied him again. Soon, many caps were on the ground. Sunil quickly picked them up, one by one, and put them back in his bag. The monkeys looked confused. They knew. They were fooled. Sunil smiled. He said, "Thank you, monkeys," and walked away happily. From that day, Sunil always watched his bag. He learned something important. Be clever. Think fast. Stay calm. His story became famous. And now, you know it too. Thank you very much for watching. Did you like the story? Tell us in the comments. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English stories. Bye-bye.